This is a quick lesson on how to find information for your health project using websites. So what you'll need to do is you'll start out on cvschools.org, and you'll first need to go to the library website by going to Eagle View, and then Academics, and then Library Media Center. Once you're here, you're going to go to Reliable Websites for Research, and then from here you'll need to go to Health. Then you'll get the symbol of websites here. You're going to be using these pink ones up in the left-hand corner. And the reason that we're using the symbol, the pre-selected websites, is because we don't have a lot of time for this project. And we've chosen some websites for you that are very reliable and credible. So instead of going out on Google and taking the time to evaluate the websites yourself, and also possibly getting blocked from the school system Googling drugs, we have these for you. So I'm not going to click on every single one of these. It depends what drug you have, which one is the most useful. So, if you don't find something on the first one you click on, try another one. A couple of them that I really like, this one from Foundation for a Drug-Free World. If you go on Get the Facts, you'll see a list of drugs here. You can click on your drug, and there's some information here. You need to keep clicking on next to go to the next page for more information about it. And there's also documentaries that you can watch too. And also you'll see that if I just X out, it'll take me right back to the symbol. And another one I really like is this National Institute on Drug Abuse. This is actually published through the United States government. And again, they have a list of drugs you can click on too. And you can also, and you can do this on most of the other sites that I have too, just put in your drug here and do a search for it and see what comes up there too within the website. Once you have, and actually, once you have your site that you've used, let's say that I'm looking for information on cocaine, then I want to make sure that I cite my website using MLA format. So I want to copy the URL there. I just did Control-C. And then I actually have EasyBib right here too to make it quite simple for you. And I'll go to EasyBib and put Control-V, I paste that in there. And I got to make sure I'm on website. I think that's what it defaults to, but I want to double check I'm on website. Double check I'm on MLA 8. That's the most recent version of MLA, so we'll use that. And then I'm going to click Cite It. Okay. Then it's just double checking this is the one I want to use. Yes, it is. That's the National Institute on Drug Abuse. So I'll click Cite It. Now it's working on the citation. Okay. We'll continue to the final step. And now you'll notice there's a couple boxes here that it couldn't find the information for. The publisher or sponsor, and the date that it was published. So I'll go back to my website here and see if I can figure out that information. So let's see if I can figure out the publisher. The publisher, let's see. If I hover over this here, I could also say USA.gov. Sometimes there's a couple answers that are right. But if I hover over here, it's the National Institutes of Health. So I'm going to say that's the publisher or sponsor. But USA.gov would be an okay answer too. So I'll go back to here and type in National Institutes of Health, since I was able to find that out. And now I'll go here and see if there's any, actually this is the exact page I was on, see if there's any date. Look at the bottom here. Sometimes there's at least a year, but I don't see any date here at all. I don't see any date anywhere here. So since there's no date, I'm just going to leave that blank. That's the best I can do. But if I found a date, even if I just found a year, I would put it in there. I would leave the day blank, but just put the year in there. That's not uncommon to be able to find a year. So then I'll hit Create Citation. Okay. And then I'm not going to show you how to do this because you can figure this out. But then I'm just going to copy and paste this citation just into a Google Doc for now until I have my project ready. But I'll copy and paste it and save it so I have it. Okay, so that's it for finding your information from a website and then getting a citation for that website.